All right, as we head into cold and flu season, how to think about when it's 86 degrees right now, but you might be thinking about getting a vaccine.
And if you want a COVID shot, you might run into some confusion about where you can get them and whether insurance covers the cost. 13 Action News anchor Alexandria Manthe is live in studio with what you need to know. Alex.
Yes, Lee and Christian, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention hasn't issued the COVID-19 vaccine guidelines for this year. Right now, pharmacies and doctors are operating under last year's vaccine guidelines, and it's all created some confusion as to who is eligible.
It's just been a very frustrating experience.
Samantha Stripe tells me it's been a struggle to get her COVID shot this year.
Well, I'm 6 months pregnant, but I also have type 2 diabetes and I have ulcerative colitis, which is an autoimmune disease.
The CDC recommends pregnant women and those with an underlying condition stay up to date with their COVID vaccinations. Stripe tells me she set out to get her vaccine. She says she scheduled an appointment at the Meyer Pharmacy in Defiance.
Then they called me and said, well, because you're pregnant, we need a prescription from your doctor, from your OB. I said, absolutely. I've never heard of this before, but yeah, I'll get one.
So her doctor called one in. But once again, she got a call from the pharmacy, this time saying Meyer Corporate told the pharmacist out of an abundance of caution, they were no longer accepting prescriptions.
I just don't understand why I can't get one if I need one and if I want one. It seems like it's my right to choose whether I get a COVID shot or not.
I reached out to Meyer Corporate. A spokesperson said it's likely Stripe requested a vaccine during a time when many providers were hesitant to provide them as they were working to understand the guidelines. The spokesperson said that Meyer is giving shots to people 5 years or older without a prescription. But each local pharmacy has a different policy. Some will give shots to everyone 6 months and older, but for others, you must be at least 65 or have an underlying condition. At Good Neighbors Family Pharmacy, they give shots to those ages 3 and up.
And the doses are separated between the 6 months to 12 years old, and there's a different dose for people that they are older than 12 years old.
Most insurances cover the cost, but if you don't have insurance, it could get pricey. Stripe says she was quoted $200 out of pocket from Kroger's pharmacy.
I'm being thrown roadblocks every single time I try to get one.
Stripe says if all goes as planned, she's set to get a vaccine at CVS next week. And Stripe isn't the only one waiting. With no new guidelines from the CDC, the Vaccines for Kids program, which helps low-income families, is on pause, halting millions of children from getting their shot until that new guidance is published. Christian.
Alexander.